Hey guys, I wanted to show you new segmenting rules option that we have just added. So here we have the date and days ago comparison. So now you can add something like creation date is, for example, is less than 1 day ago, right? So we can just do something like this. And let's just go on to create a new variant first. This is a deployment campaign. So what that means is it will basically serve to anyone that matches the targeting criteria. So here I'll just change it to something obvious. This test is working correctly. Save that and just save it. So this is a deployment test. So here in preview, this is what you should see, something like this. This test is working correctly. And here I also wanted to do something like by adding a new creation date is more than, let's say the creation date is more than 365 days ago, right? So let's just deploy this. And if I go to the Mida's homepage and I just refresh it, here you can see that it is actually not showing that because we currently don't have a creation date attribution tied to this current visitor. So let's just go on to set the attribution for this visitor. Here I'll just add in this snippet here to quickly set the attribution for this current visitor. And I'll just set today's date. Enter. The creation date is today. And if I just refresh it, it is still not working because the targeting rules that we have set is actually the creation date needs to be more than 365 days ago, right? So if that's the case, let's just go on to fix it really quick. Let's change it to say 2024. And if I just enter this, the next time I come back to this page, I should see that the test is now working correctly. And let's just say if we wanted to change it back to something like created less than 7 days ago, so within these past 7 days, right? I can also go on to save it and come back here. The test is no longer applying because right now we have already traveled back to the past. So right now let me just fix it by setting up the correct creation date. So the creation date is today, and it should be well within the 7 days ago rules that we have just set. Refresh this page and you'll see that this test is working correctly now. And other than that, we also have this new feature right here that shows you your past historical attribution that you have targeted. And here it says that the test name is mainly just a bunch of names. And if you do something like the test name is greater than, and here it specify that this is it expect a numerical value is greater than 7, for example, then it will also tells you that something is not right. Although we won't stop you from saving the value, but it will tells you that it may not be the correct data type. So once you change this to something else, like contain tag, for example, then the error message will go away.